Hi guys, welcome back to your favorite channel, English, You and Me.
In this video, we'll practice real-life English conversations, the kind you use every day. You'll learn how to order coffee, order food at a restaurant, talk at the office, and much more. So sit back, relax, and let's speak English with confidence, together.
In today's lesson, we'll practice everyday English phrases that people use at the office. These are perfect for small talk, polite conversations, and teamwork.
Good morning, Jake. How's it going today?
Morning, Emma. Not bad, thanks. Just a little busy. How about you?
Pretty good. I've got a meeting in an hour, but first, I need some coffee.
Same here. Let's grab one from the kitchen before the meeting starts.
Hey, Jake, could you help me with this report? I'm not sure about the last part.
Of course. What seems to be the problem?
I'm trying to add the sales numbers, but the chart isn't updating.
Ah, I see. You just need to click refresh data. That should fix it.
Oh, got it. Thanks so much for your help.
No problem. Glad to help.
Hey, is the meeting starting soon?
Yes, in about 5 minutes. Did you get the new presentation slides?
Yes, I just reviewed them. They look great.
Awesome. Let's make sure we highlight last month's progress.
Good idea. It'll make the report sound more positive.
Well, that was a long day.
Yeah, but we got a lot done.
True. See you tomorrow, Emma. Have a good evening.
Thanks, you too. Take care.
Let's review today's useful office phrases. Practice these lines out loud and try using them in your next conversation at work. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more real-life English conversations. See you next time.
Today, we're going shopping. Let's learn useful English phrases you can use when buying groceries at a supermarket.
Hi there. Can I help you find something?
Yes, please. Where can I find the vegetables?
They're right over there, next to the dairy section.
Thank you. Oh, and do you have any fresh spinach today?
Yes, it just arrived this morning.
We often say, "Can I help you find something?" or "Do you have any?" in stores. "Do you have any?" is a polite way to ask if something is available.
Excuse me, how much is this loaf of bread?
It's $2.50.
Okay, I'll take one. And how much are the apples?
They're $1 per pound.
Great, I'll get 2 pounds, please.
We ask for prices by saying, "How much is this?" for one item. "How much are these?" for more than one.
Hi. Did you find everything you were looking for?
Yes, thank you.
That'll be $12.40.
Here you go. Can I pay by card?
Sure. Please tap your card here. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
Notice the phrase, "Can I pay by card?" It's the most common way to ask if you can use your credit or debit card. You can also say, "Do you take card?" More informal. "Can I pay in cash?" if you want to pay with money. Now you've learned how to ask for items, talk about prices, and pay politely at the store. Try practicing these phrases next time you go shopping. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more short English lessons. See you in the next episode of English, You and Me. Welcome to English, You and Me. In today's lesson, we'll learn useful English phrases for ordering food at a restaurant. Listen carefully, repeat after each line, and practice speaking naturally.
Good evening. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, under the name Jane.
Great. Right this way, please. Here are your menus.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Can I get you something to drink?
Yes. Could I have a glass of water, please?
Sure. Would you like still or sparkling water?
Still water, please.
In restaurants, both "can I have" and "could I have" are correct when ordering. "Can I have" is common and casual, while "could I have" sounds a bit more polite. So you can say either one. Both sound natural to native speakers.
Are you ready to order, or do you need a few more minutes?
I think we're ready. I'll have the grilled chicken with vegetables.
Excellent choice. And for you, ma'am?
Could I have the pasta with tomato sauce, please?
Of course. Would you like anything to drink with your meal?
Just water for me, thanks.
All right, I'll be back with your drinks shortly.
Useful phrases.
How's everything?
Everything's great, thank you. The chicken is delicious.
I'm glad you like it. Can I get you anything else?
No, thank you. We're good for now. Could we get the bill, please?
Of course, I'll bring it right over.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Take your time.
Let's review today's useful restaurant phrases. Practice these lines out loud, and you'll sound more confident when ordering at a restaurant. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real-life English conversations. See you next time.
Welcome to English, You and Me. In today's lesson, let's practice a real-life English conversation at a coffee shop. You'll learn useful phrases that native speakers use every day.
Hi there. What can I get for you today?
Hi, could I have a medium latte, please?
Of course. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please. Oh, and can you add an extra shot of espresso?
Sure thing. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thanks.
All right, that'll be $4.50.
In English, you can say, "Can I have a medium latte, please?" Or, "Could I have a medium latte, please?" Both are correct. "Can I have" is more casual and common in everyday speech, while "could I have" sounds a little more polite and formal. So, if you want to sound extra polite, use "could I have," but don't worry. Native speakers use "can I have" all the time too.
Your latte will be ready in a minute.
Thanks.
No problem. By the way, do you have our rewards card?
Oh, no, I don't. How does it work?
You earn points for every drink, and you get a free coffee after 10 purchases.
Sounds great. I'll sign up next time.
Small talk helps make conversations friendly and natural.
Here you go. One hot latte with an extra shot.
Thank you. It smells amazing.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
Let's review today's useful phrases. Practice these lines out loud and try using them the next time you order coffee. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real-life English lessons. See you next time.